The world's most luxury phone, Vertu Signature S Repair. Let's begin the operations. First, we remove the back cover. Next, the batteries and the SIM tray. Now we remove the left and right side chassis, the display, and finally the top speaker before performing the logic board repair. Let's take a family photo before the operation starts. The Vertu Signature S logic board. The 1050 mAh batteries. The 2-inch display. The grade 5 aluminum chassis. Let's begin the operation. Voila! In just 2 hours, the Vertu is back to brand new life now. Visit us at Dr. iDevice, the Waterfront Desa Parkcity, and Dr. iDevice 1 Utama Shopping Center.